Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this interesting example from sample paper of SPJAT aptitude test. A bucket contains 1 liter of milk. There is 1 liter of milk in a bucket. A milkman removes 10% of the content of the bucket and replaces it with water. So what they do generally when they sell the milk for liter, they will remove a little bit of milk and they will add little bit of water so that it will become again 1 liter. So he is doing the same thing. He is removing 10% of the content of the bucket and replaces it with water. The next day the milkman again does the same operation and removes 10% of the content of the bucket and replaces it with water. This is okay, fine. He then sells the 1 liter of milk to a customer at the rate of $12 per liter. He then sells 1 liter of the milk to a customer at the rate of $12 per liter. That means after removing consecutively 2 days 10% of milk, he is selling 1 liter at $12. If the milkman had purchased the milk at $10 per liter, what is his profit percentage on his cost, keeping in mind that due to his mixing he was able to save some additional milk? So let's write it down, whatever we understand. First we know 1 liter of milk is there. Yes, there is 1 liter of milk. He removes 10% of the bucket. 10% of 1 liter will be how much? So 10% means 100 ml. So on day 1 it will be like this, right? We will say day here, we'll say milk in ml, and we will say water ml, and this is mixture. Okay, what he did, let's try to understand. First day, day 1, milk total 1 liter, that's nothing but 1000 ml. Milk is there. He has removed 10% of the content. That means 10% milk he has taken out. That means it will be 900 ml only now in the bucket. So to make it 1 liter, obviously because it should be always 1000 ml only, so he added 100 ml of water. Day 2, again he did 10% on this. So on 900, on whatever the milk we have, on the milk whatever we have is 900 ml milk only we have. So on the second day he again removed 10% of the contents. That means whatever the content we have now, in which there is 900 milk, 10% of the milk is again removed. So this becomes now 900 into 90 by 100, or that's nothing but equal to 810. So in the second day the milk content will be 810 ml only, and the remaining should be again filled with water, that is 190 ml, so that you can make it again 1000. Okay, now this whatever the after the second day, the milk whatever he had, in which there is only 810 ml of milk and remaining is water, he sold it for $12. So he is selling, saying that 1 liter of milk I am selling for $12. I purchased it for $10, and if I sell it for $12 I will get a profit of 20%. No, but he is wrong, because he is not selling 1 liter of milk, he is selling only 810 ml of milk. So our equation will be like this: CP SP, if I take, and also the quantity, we will say ml, how much it is. If I take 1000 ml, I know CP equal to $10. Similarly, if I write down here ml CP SP, I know that for 810 ml the SP is $12. Now if we can get a relation between them, and we fix it for either 1000 ml or 810 ml to calculate CP and SP, then we can easily calculate. Let's go to the next step. So we will do this calculation for 810 ml. We know already SP, we have to fill the CP here. For that, what I will say, 1000 ml, we know that cost price equal to $10. For 810 ml, how much will be the cost price. That's nothing but 810 by 1000 into 10, which is equal to $8.10. So actually what he is doing, he is selling only $8.1 worth milk at 12 rupees. Even though he is saying that I am selling 1 liter milk at 12 rupees, the milk in that is only 810 ml instead of 1000 ml. That means he is having only the milk of worth $8.1. So this is our CP now, and this is our SP. Our calculation being done for 810 ml. For 810 ml, CP equal to 8.10, SP equal to 12. You can do the same thing for 1000 also, because you know 1000 CP is 10. You can also convert 810 into 1000, find out the SP, you can put it here. That way also you can do. Okay. Now what is profit percent? Profit percent is SP minus CP. SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. So let's do that. If we do that, we will have 12 minus 810, that's nothing but 3.90 divided by CP, that is 8.10 into 100, which is nothing but equal to 390 by 810 into 100. Can I simplify this? And I can say that is 3900 by 81. 81 fours are 324. Then I have 66, 81 8s are 648, I have 12, 81 ones, then I have 39, so I can go for approximately 5. So 48.15% is the profit percent. Ideally, if he is honest, he will get only 20% profit, because your CP is $10 and your CP is $10 and SP is $12. It should be only 20% profit. By mixing water continuously 2 days at 10%, taking out the milk 10%, you are mixing the water, so you are making, he is getting a profit of 48%. So that's an interesting example which I thought I will share with you. So we'll meet again with another interesting example. Till then, bye for now. Thanks.